Hi everyone. Today I would like to introduce a backup software called KLS Backup. In IT, backup is very important because it helps us protect important file and recover data when something goes wrong. In this short demo, I will show how KLS Backup can be used to create a simple backup job. Select the source and destination and run the backups. First one, click New to create backup job in KLS Backup. And first we click New Backup Job. Create a backup of your data. Okay. Profile name is maybe uh, daily backup. Comment is blah blah blah. Maybe client file. Select next. Then we choose the source and select the add local network removable and add maybe we create a new folder, select folder, add, close, desktop folder. Next, we select the destination where the backup will be saved, such as another drive, a network folder, or external storage. Just one of the drive, maybe select the C folder in backup. Select folder, backup name, daily backup clients file, and next. Backup type full, select and delete full backup archives, maybe 7 for a week. Select next. Storage and compress source into a single archive and compression Z is okay. Preset non-single volume is best. Select next. After that, next. And disable log every file. Maybe active send email is set the SMTP server. After that, next is good file copy option. Next, set the task and schedule. Select the new and backup. Select the backup. Next, daily and weekly and monthly. I've set daily backup at 6 o'clock p.m. is daily. Select the next. Finish. Save. After that, next. And finally, we saved the job and run it to make sure the backup completes successfully. And select the run. Here all files were backup successfully. In cancellation, KLS Backup is a useful tool for protecting important data and automating backup tasks. But the most important part of any backup solution is testing the restore process. A backup is only valuable when we can restore it successfully when needed. Thank you for watching.